Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products with an expert's eye and an honest touch. If you're looking for a product that promises to rejuvenate your scalp while offering nourishment to your hair, keep watching. Today we're reviewing the Tea Tree Scalp Care Regeniplex Regimen Kit, a product that claims to give your scalp the care it needs while leaving your hair feeling healthy and vibrant. This regimen kit comes from the well-known Tea Tree brand, known for their invigorating, botanical-based hair care products. The kit is designed for those with thin hair and includes two products, a cream and a tonic. The formula is color-safe and paraben-free, which already ticks some important boxes for many of us looking to avoid harsh chemicals. But does it live up to the promises? Let's get into the real-world performance. I've been using the Tea Tree Scalp Care Regeniplex Regimen Kit for a few weeks now, and it's been an interesting experience. First, the scent is absolutely invigorating, like a fresh blend of lemon, basil, fir, and just a hint of patchouli, vanilla, and amber. It's uplifting, but not overpowering, perfect for a refreshing start to the day. The scalp tonic is lightweight and absorbs quickly. I applied it directly to my scalp and massaged it in, which felt incredibly soothing. The texture isn't greasy or heavy, which is great for someone with thin hair like me. After a few uses, I noticed that my scalp felt clearer, less irritated, and overall just refreshed. The cream in this kit is thick, but not too heavy. I used it in conjunction with the tonic, massaging it into my scalp and through the lengths of my hair. It didn't weigh my hair down, but it did make it feel softer and more manageable. I'd say the cream is more hydrating than your typical scalp moisturizer, which adds a nice layer of nourishment. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, I love how my scalp feels after using this kit. It has a cooling, refreshing sensation that helps with any itchiness or discomfort, and the scent lingers pleasantly without being too much. It's also a bonus that it's color safe and free of parabens, which is something I always look for in hair care products. However, the downside is that while it promises to rejuvenate thin hair, I didn't notice a huge difference in terms of volume or thickness. I think it's more about scalp health, which is important, but if you're expecting a drastic change in hair fullness, this might not give you that instant wow factor. In terms of value for money, I do think the price is on the higher end, considering the performance. But it's a treat for the scalp, and the natural ingredients make it stand out from other products in the same category. The quality is definitely there. It just depends on whether you're looking for more than just a scalp refresher. Comparing this to other scalp care kits, it's a bit more specialized due to its unique blend of ingredients and the fact that it's formulated for thin hair. Many other products focus more on volume and shine, but this kit goes deeper by addressing scalp health and hydration first, which is a bit more niche. The build quality of the products is solid. The bottles are easy to use, and I like the sleek, professional look they have. There's no excess packaging, which is a plus for sustainability. In terms of longevity, since a little bit of product goes a long way, I see this lasting for quite a few weeks, even with regular use. As for customer support, I haven't had any personal interactions with the brand, but Tea Tree is well regarded for their customer service, and the reviews on their website are mostly positive, with many customers appreciating the company's responsiveness. Looking for alternatives? If you're on a budget, you could try something like the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo, which has a similar fresh, tingling sensation and can be used to refresh the scalp at a lower price point. However, it won't offer the same targeted scalp care focus that the Regeniplex kit provides. Wrapping up, this kit offers a unique approach to scalp care, especially for those with thin hair. If you struggle with scalp irritation or want a refreshing product that targets scalp health, this could be a great choice. However, if you're looking for immediate volume or hair thickening results, you might need something a bit more potent. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Stay beautiful inside and out.